next example is x plus 2 to the power 3 into minus x plus 1 to the power 7 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 into x square is greater than or equal to 0. So this problem we have to solve. So what you will do here, so this one is as it is, x plus 2 whole square whole cube is as it is. So here what to do, from here we will take minus common. So how to take minus common? So minus is common, x minus 1 to the whole power 7 will come. So for minus x plus 1 we are taking minus common. So what will be minus common, x minus 1 to the power 7 divided by this one we can factorize. So what will come here, x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x square is greater than or equal to 0. Now here minus of x minus 1 to the power 7. So if I have a into b to the whole power n, so this one we can separate as what, a power n into b power n. So same thing here also we can do. This is what, minus 1 we can write this one, minus 1. So here minus 1 power 7 into x minus 1 power 7 we can write. We can use this property. A is what, minus 1 and b is what, x minus 1. So what will come here, x plus 2 to the power 3 into minus 1 power 7 into x minus 1 to the power 7 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x square is greater than or equal to 0. So minus 1 power 7 is what? Minus 1 power 7 is what? Minus 1. So here what will come, minus of x plus 2 to the power 3. Okay, minus 1 power 7 we are writing here only. Minus will come into x minus 1 to the power 7 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x square is greater than or equal to 0. Now what you will do, here we will multiply with minus 1. Multiply with minus 1. So minus 1 is what, negative number. So if any inequalities, if you multiply with negative number, what will happen? So minus of minus 1 is what, plus 1. So what will come here, x plus 2 to the power 3 into x minus 1 to the power 7 divided by x minus 2 x minus 3 into x square. So this one if you multiply with what, minus 1, so what will come here, minus 1 into minus, that is plus 1. Okay, and this inequality sign will change. So this will come what, less than or equal to, minus 1 into 0 is what, 0 only will come. So if you multiply this inequality with minus 1, then inequality sign will change. So this what, minus of minus 1 plus will come, this will come, and this inequality sign we have to change. So this is less than equal to 0 into minus 1 is what, 0. So this will come. Okay, now here one of the side is 0. Now after that what we will do, we will find a critical point. Okay, so what are the critical points possible? So minus 2, so according to this one, 1, then 2, 3 and 0. Okay, if 0 if you put, so denominator is what, 0. So 0 is also critical point because at 0 it is undefined. Now here we want equal to 0. Equal to 0 we want. That means if I put minus 2, so numerator is 0. So everything is 0 here. So x equal to minus 2 is included. If I put here 1, so numerator is 0, denominator is non-zero. So x equal to 1 also included. 2 if you put, so denominator is 0. So 2 is not included. If I put 3, denominator is 0. So 3 is also not included. And if I put 0 here, so denominator is 0. So 0 also not included. X should not be 0. Now these critical point we will draw on number line. Okay, so first what will come, minus 2 will come. So minus 2 is what, included. So minus 2 we have to take solid circle. Then after that what will come, 0 will come. 0 is not included, so 0 is open. Then what will come, 1. 1 is included, so this is neither will come. X equal to 1, this is x equal to 0, this is x equal to minus 2. Okay, now after that we will come 2, so 2 is also not included, so x equal to 2. Next what will come, x is equal to 3. Okay, 3 is also not included. This will come. Now what will come, we will take any number greater than 3. So suppose 4 we are taking. So if I put 4, this is positive. 4 if I put here, this is also positive. This is also positive. This is also positive. This is also positive. So positive into positive divided by positive into positive into positive. So what will come here? Positive. So this side is positive. Now x equal to 3 is there. So we will take x minus 3 equal to 0. So we have to take x minus 3. So x minus 3 is what? This one. So this one power is what? Odd. Correct? X minus 3 power is what? 1. So 1 is odd number. So power is odd. So what will come? This sign is positive. So in this side what will come? Negative sign will come because we have to change the sign. Then x equal to 2 will come. So this one will write x minus 2 equal to 0. Then here you check x minus 2. Okay, so x minus 2 is what? This one. So here also power is what? 1. So power is odd. Then again we have to change sign. So this is negative, this will come what? Positive. Then what will come? X equal to 1. So here what will write? X minus 1 equal to 0. So x minus 1 we have to check. So x minus 1 power is what? Odd. So here also we have to change the sign. So positive, negative will come. Next is what? X equal to 0. So here we have to check x only. So here you check x. So x power is what? 2. So that is even. Then sign will remain same. So this is negative, this is also negative. So here sign will not change. Next what? X equal to minus 2. So this one we can write x plus 2 equal to 0. So x plus 2 we have to check. So x plus 2 is this one. This one power is what? Odd. Power is odd, then we have to change the sign. So this is negative, what will come? Positive. Okay. Now we have to check this one. So this side what we want? Less than or equal to 0. That means this side we want negative or 0. So where it is negative, you can check here. So this is negative, this is also negative, and this is also negative. These three portion will come. So we will start from here. So minus infinity to minus 2. Okay, this portion will not come. Minus 2 is included. So x belongs to closed interval minus 2. So minus 2 to what will come? 0. Okay, 0 is what? Open. Union. This portion also we have to write. So this is what? 0 to 1. So 0 is open only, 0 to 1. 1 is what? Included. Then this portion will not come. X equal to 2 will not be included. This portion is negative. So here what will come? Union 2 to 3. 3 is also open. And this portion is not solution. So this will come. Okay, this is your solution.